Hi everyone, today's topic is nitrogen. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel before starting the video. So let's start our topic nitrogen. The seventh element of the periodic table between carbon and oxygen is nitrogen. It is an important part of amino acids. Around 80% of the Earth's atmosphere comprises nitrogen gas. It has no color, mostly diatomic non-metal gas, which is odorless and colorless in nature. Since it has 5 electrons in its outer shell, most of its compounds are trivalent. It is constituent of all living tissues. Since it is a component of DNA and part of a genetic code, it is an essential element of life. Nitrogen is also found in nitrates and nitrites in soil and water. All these substances are part of the nitrogen cycle and interconnected. Industrial companies emit nitrogen extensively, increasing nitrite and nitrate content in the ground and water being the consequence of reactions in the nitrogen cycle. Next, uses of nitrogen. Nitrogen is used in the manufacture of ammonia to produce nitric acid and subsequently used as a fertilizer. Nitric acid salts include important compounds like potassium nitrate, ammonium nitrate, and nitric acid. Nitrated organic compounds such as nitroglycerin are often explosives. Liquid nitrogen is utilized as a refrigerant for transporting foodstuff and freezing purposes. Preservation of bodies and reproductive cells and stable storage of biological samples also makes use of liquid nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up 78% of Earth's atmosphere and is a part of all living tissues. Nitrogen is a crucial ingredient of life science since it is a constituent of DNA and as such is part of the genetic code. Nitrogen molecules often exist in the soil. Nitrogen can be present in nitrates and nitrites in water and in soil. These compounds are all part of the nitrogen cycle and both are interconnected. Next, nitrogen cycle. A cycle is a sequence of events or steps that repeats itself regularly. In the nitrogen cycle, nitrogen moves from the soil to plants and then to animals and finally back to the soil. When it turns to the soil from a decaying plant, it can be used again by another plant. So here is the diagram, it's nitrogen cycle. Next steps in the nitrogen cycle. First step is nitrogen fixation, second step is nitrification, third step is denitrification. Fourth step is nitrogen assimilation and last one is ammonification. Over many years, the action of people began changing how nitrogen cycled through nature. This changed the amount of nitrogen found in living organisms and in the air, soil, and water. The balance of nature was upset. By understanding how the nitrogen cycle works, people can change their actions and protect the environment. Symbol which is used for nitrogen is N and its atomic number is 7, atomic mass is 14 and it was discovered by Daniel Rutherford in 1772. Next, some chemical properties. Its melting point is minus 210 degrees centigrade. Boiling point minus 195. Density 0.001145. Relative atomic mass 14. At a temperature of 20 degrees centigrade, it is in gas form. Electron configuration 2sk2p cube. So it was all about nitrogen. Thank you.